Where all the policemen in the street?
Where's
the security of that state? You see, we are in a very big problem. And Tinubu does not have the answers. I've been saying this thing for the longest.
Fi ìbànújẹ́ ọkàn ó ní mo fi ń ṣe fídíò yìí bó sì rọ ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ dákẹ́ bá mi repost nítorí tọ́lọ́ nípa incident eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ nípa àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké àti àwọn teacher eléyìí tí wọ́n lọ kó so mo ní láti implement ẹ̀ mọ́nú àwọn news mi nítorí pé nínú àwọn teacher tí wọ́n kó wọ́n pa ìkànnù wọn lánàá ni wọ́n pa nípa subhanallah nípa eléyìí tí ó dá mo bẹ Ọlọ́run ọba láàkó dáhùn kó bá ń rọ àwọn ẹbí ẹni náà kó lọ́dún kó bá rọ wọn lójú àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n sì kó lọ kó lọ́dún kó bá wa dá wọn padà ní ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà abẹ́ni wàyí o ẹ̀yin ìjọba wa àwa ti mọ̀ pé àwa lórílẹ̀-èdè kan tó ṣe pé a lè sọ̀rọ̀ bó ṣe wà torí pé tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ lọ gbé kó kọjú òfin kó ṣe gbá kó sàwọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run o ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ọba láò in tí ò bá wù kẹ́ sọ pé ìjọsìn fún tẹ̀fẹ́ lọ́lọ́run ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run o ẹ rántí pé ẹ̀yin náà jáde kó láyé o nọ́ọ̀tì ó ti di ìdàkudà the same Nigeria yìí nọ́ọ̀tì ṣe kí ni ó ti di ìdàkudà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá nísìnyí báyìí wọ́n ti dé Oǹdó wọ́n ti dé Èkìtì wọ́n ti dé Kwara lọ́dọ̀ wa nísìnyí báyìí ó lójú bí táwa lè lọ now wọ́n tún ti wọ Ọ̀yọ́ in tó kù ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ojú Ọ̀ṣun àti Èkó lọ ẹ bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sí i tẹ́ ẹ bá ti mú wọn ẹ má foríjì anybody ẹ pa wọ́n èyí tẹ́ sọ pé ẹ mú àwọn bandit ẹ máa Boko Haram ẹ sọ pé ẹ foríjì wọn èwo ni wà foríjì tẹ́ bá ti ẹni tẹ́ bá ti mú ẹ pa lójú ẹsẹ̀ ìdí nìyẹn tó yẹ wá sọ fún yín pé nínú òfin ṣẹ̀ríà àti tọ̀dọ̀ títí wa tẹ́ bá ti mẹ́ni tó mọ̀ pa yẹn pa ó náà padà ẹ̀yin ìjọba wa ẹ bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sí Nigeria is bleeding kò sí ní tá a fẹ́ ṣe sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí òkè tẹ́ wà ó bá jẹ́ Christian ó bá jẹ́ Muslim ẹ ṣe òfin tó dá ẹ dúró ti òfin tó dá ẹ bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ Nigeria bó tẹni tó jẹ́ Christian bó tẹni tó jẹ́ Muslim bó tẹni tó jẹ́ oníṣẹ̀ṣe ẹ mójútó everybody ọmọ Nigeria ni wà náà yóò bá sọ pé àìgbélé ẹni ká tó ń fọrùn rọ àti wọn àánú ilé ẹni nísìnyí máa yọ kan ò balẹ̀ mọ́ táwọn èèyàn bá ṣe sìnsìnsìn tán ṣe lọ ládùúgbò bíi táwọn wa a máa wo ni pé sékèsè páwọn arábí tó ti dé yóò bá sọ pé ẹni tí lè mọ́ bá ní pera rẹ̀ lọ́kùnrin àwọn èèyàn ń dààmú àwọn èèyàn ń fòrò àwọn èèyàn ń jìyà ẹ bá wá nǹkan ṣe sí orílẹ̀-èdè wa tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé ẹ bá lè ṣe ìjọba tẹ́ ń ṣe ẹ fi kan lélẹ̀ why you kí ló dé tẹ́ negotiate pẹ̀lú terrorist àwọn tí ń wo àdúgbò bí kan wá tán wá ń pa àwọn èèyàn nípa púpa ẹ lọ bá àwọn ẹ lọ pa àwọn náà nípa púpa padà náà kó àwọn ọmọ ọdún 4 káwọn ọmọ ọdún kan káwọn ọmọ ọdún subhanallah ẹ̀yin ìjọba ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run o ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run o wallahi ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run tẹ́ bá wò pé ẹ̀yin lówó ẹ̀yin ṣe kinní kan ẹ bẹ̀rù ọjọ́ tọ́lọ́run gbé yín dìde o ní Islam fi yàtọ̀ sí gbogbo ẹ̀sìn nìyẹn wallahi ẹ kú Ọlọ́run sì gbé yín dìde gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀mí kọ̀ọ̀kan tó lọ yóò gba ìtọ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ̀yin ìjọba náà la pè tó rẹ̀yin lẹ́jọ́ lórí wa ẹ̀yin lẹ sọ fún yín pé ẹ̀yin lẹ ṣe tẹ́ bá débẹ̀ kí ló dé tẹ́ débẹ̀ tán tẹ́ ṣe kankan election lẹ mójútó náà iná F9 omi F9 everything now àtún lè jókòó nínú ilé mọ́ ká tún lè fìsẹ̀mí ayé tó rọrùn àwọn ọmọ tí yín ó sì níbi táwọn wà Ọlọ́run ọba aláwọ̀ bí yín lérè ẹ̀ sì ní lọ lásán wallahi àfi kẹ́sẹ̀ ìdájọ́ president tàná tó lọ wà níwájú rẹ̀ báyìí kọ́lọ́ máa foríjì wọn láǹtọ̀rọ̀ èyí tó ní tẹ́ wà ń bẹ náà wallahi Ọlọ́run bí yín lérè don't negotiate with any terrorist tẹ́ bá ti gbá wọn mú ẹ pa wọn ni tó bá yẹ kó fi ṣẹ̀yà là ń lò ní ẹni tó bá ti mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ pààyàn ẹ pa padà tẹ́ bá ti pa wọn yá àwọn yòókù pé ẹ lọ gba àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kalẹ̀ lẹ́ o ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́ ẹ lọ gba àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kalẹ̀ o táwọn sọ fún yóò jù bá lọ.
The children are here, they are crying so that we will not waste our life. Please.
You know what is sad about this video is the fact that before they leave the hands of those kidnappers, they must pay money before they leave there. All this cry where they cry, they call Tinubu name and go. He cannot do her anything. That is the craziest part about the video. That the people she's calling, where she's putting hope on to secure her release, will not do anything. Tinubu is a failure. Tinubu is a failure. Tinubu is that reference in the Bible that said the devil is coming to steal, kill, and destroy. He's that person. It's a failure. It's a failure. How kidnappers have gotten the audacity and the confidence to go into a church school. First Baptist, they said the school in the church. They went there, carried students and carried teachers. Where are all the policemen in the state? Where's the security of that state? You see, we are in a very big problem. And Tinubu does not have the answers. I've been saying this thing for the longest. Tinubu does not have the answer. That man's brain is old. I talked this thing that time, they say I don't get respect. Tinubu is old. If not Tinubu maybe 15 years ago, maybe. This Tinubu cannot move Nigeria forward. He can't. Economy-wise, security-wise, nothing. Since he came into office, the rate at which they kidnap people, it quadrupled. The way that they buy people, it quadrupled. Everything he said he was going to do when he becomes the president, he has not been able to achieve even one. One. All they do in his regime is to steal money. Tinubu can't do anything for Nigeria. I say this thing, I made several videos. I don't talk nothing. But the one that breaks my heart more is videos like this. Because the people you put your hope on cannot even guarantee your safety. But now, let's now leave Tinubu. Let's go to Makinde, who is the governor of the state. Now, every time when things happen, we'll call on the president, which is good. But then again, I think people ask the monthly allocation of these governors. 2025 alone, a state like Oyo State, they got 17 billion every month. 17 billion. This 2026 now, January, February, they don't give them at least 20 billion monthly. Now this money is supposed to cover for the security of the people in that state. Water, light, and everything. So while we are talking about Tinubu is a failure, we should also talk about the person that is directly in charge of the people in a state.
Before we continue, do you know using my referral code RATEL1 can get you 15K on Card Cosmic app? I know Nigeria is very hard, that's why I made my research on this app. So download Card Cosmic and use my referral code RATEL1 and get instant 15K as bonus instead of coming to my DM to beg me for money.
That particular state have 33 local governments on your state. These 33 local governments have local government chairmen. This monthly allocation goes to them as well. So what are they doing? What are the strategies that they put in place to secure the lives of the people? I talk about this. I say when this matter they happen that time, when it happened for Jaws, when they buy people, when they talk, it passed. I tell you people that these people have surrounded Nigeria. It look like very that man is just talking for talk's sake. They are everywhere. There's no state in Nigeria where these kidnappers no day. There's no state in Nigeria where terrorists no day. There's no state in Nigeria where terrorists never camp. There's no state, you know, day. You know, day. You know, day. We have kids in bushes. These people are training people in the bushes every day. They are getting more men. They are getting arms. Arms, they follow water, they come that country. Arms where federal government no get, them get. Arms where Nigerian government no get, them get. You know why? Because the top is bad. Now this woman now they cry. She back picking for back, they cry. As she they cry like that, now she be the person, okay, by the grace of God. Now let me tell you the best thing Tinubu can do. Tinubu can go and rescue her. He go use Sky now. Maybe they go send NSA or send DSS. Those ones go quickly go back. Go negotiate with the terrorists. Go negotiate with the kidnappers. Secure them. Come outside. Come claim, say they arrest them or they rescue them. False. What am I trying to say in a nutshell? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not have that answer. He doesn't. Now you don't finish 4 years. Everything you said you would do. I said the listing. Me, I don't even care about the economy. Go and watch my previous videos. The whole thing I've said. I said if you can secure the lives of people, it's okay. Just security in that country. Not do anything again. But a country where the poor, they suffer. The poor are still getting kidnapped. The farmers cannot go to farm. Which kind of country with that? But you people pump money. You people pump serious money for election. Now you don't go talk about this woman now. There will be no precedence. Even the Christian Association of Nigeria, where this woman they rely on too, they have been political. They themselves will not be able to put pressure. Usually, the Christian Association of Nigeria, ordinarily things like this, where they happen for churches, you are supposed to put pressure on the government. That's why you're an association, to look out for the Christian body, the people under the Christian body. But they also have been political. They also have become political. So what can they really do? Nothing. Nothing. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is old and does not have the answers. Most of the people that he puts in charge of all these things are doing the same thing. To steal, buy, destroy. They don't have the answers. And again, 2027 now, you can't see campaign again for the same thing when you originally promised the people. You come again now and come and watch the campaign. I'll give you security. I'll give you light. I'll give you water. I'll boost the economy. I'll create jobs. I will help widows. I will do this. I will empower the youth. All of this. Same thing we use to campaign again in 2027. Now God help us. That is Mr. Michael Oyedogun, one of the teachers that was kidnapped alongside 2 others in a community high school in Oyo State. Reports have it that this man, Mr. Michael Oyedogun, have been beheaded by these kidnappers to send a message to the government to do what they want. You see, because my mother is a teacher, this feels a lot different. Because first things first, I know they don't pay teachers well enough for them to be even going through this, let alone beheading him. I know they don't pay teachers in Nigeria very well. My mother even works in a private school, let alone, and she complains about the payments. But she cannot stop because she loves these children. Every year she complains about the money, but she can't stop because she loves these children. And that is the story of the teachers in Nigeria, especially the ones in the public schools. That is their story. A lot of them would have quit that job because the government don't treat them well. But because of the love they have for these kids, the bond they've shared with these kids, they can no longer quit the job. They have to take shit. Then the one thing the government should put in place to protect these people that you don't treat well, you cannot do it, which is security. Imagine a teacher going to school to go and impact on children, the children who are the future of Nigeria, the future of the country. He went there to sacrifice for them, not knowing that he's going to be used as a sacrifice to send message to politicians. He's going to be used as a sacrifice in politics. There are still 2 other women there. There are kids there. Who knows the next person that this will happen to? Do you know why this is more sad? Because the government don't even care. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is well focused on 2027 election. And if Nigerians know what they are doing, they can't vote somebody like Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. What has he done? Can anybody show me why President Bola Ahmed Tinubu deserves a second term? Since you came into office, hundreds of people have lost their lives. Hundreds every day. Are we going to talk about Jos? Are we going to talk about Benue? Are you going to talk about Brunu? Edo states, kidnappings? There's no states in Nigeria that have not been touched by this insurgency and this insecurity. So why are you coming for a second time? And you cannot protect us. You cannot give us security. We are not even talking about the economy. How do you want other teachers to go to school with what has just happened? To the Oyo State Governor, Makinde. There was budget for security when you collect your monthly allocation. There's budget for security. If there's no security in the state, what do you use the money for? You know, you see, a lot of you are just so...
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. àfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.